Hi, this is a short demonstration on the new log signature feature in Petrosys PRO 2019-2. I'll just run through how we can display some log signatures on a map. So here you can see we have some wells and grid displayed from Petrol. So we can now open up the display wells panel and you can see that we have this new log signatures tab here. By turning this tab on, we can then select log signatures that we want to display on the map. The first thing that we need to do is add a curve class. So this will be the logs that we want to display. So we can add a gamma ray curve class. We can filter on G and then select the gamma ray logs that we want to select. So we're selecting the folder, the Gulfax folder with the gamma ray. Okay, there. And then you can see that we've got now gamma ray set up here to display. We then have the template. We can open existing templates if we have templates to choose from, or we can click on this and create our own template. We can add a depth track or formation tops track. In this instance I'm just going to display a depth track with it, and we can have full customizing on how we display these, so I can drag these around and display them differently. I can double click here and change the scale, so I'll change this from 0 to 200. I'll change the colour to be brown and make it a little bit larger. And I'm also going to display some shading, so we can display shading to the right, and I'm just going to display a yellow shading just to highlight my sands. We can apply opacity to that, and also we can change it to fixed, or if we had selected another log curve to be in this track, we can display it between another log curve. So I'll just click OK there, and now you can see that we've got an idea of what the log will look like. So this is just a standard curve. It's not actually a log, but it's stored in the project. We can also display header text, so we can tick that on, click on the plus, and then display what we select what we want to display. Here I'm going to select the well name, and then we can select the units, whether it's downhole, subsea, or true vertical, which is what I'm going to select. And we can select whether we want the top limit to be depth, surface, formation top, or a zone top or base. I'm going to select formation top. Target 1 is good. We'll go 20 meters above that, and we'll select another formation top for the base. We'll select the top etive, and we'll go 20 meters below that. We can then select the posting location. I'm going to select the bottom hole because these are a lot of deviated wells. We can select top hole or other. We can also select the width, so we can make that 50 centimeters, 25 millimeters, however big we want that to be, how wide we want that to be. And then we can select a scaling for true vertical scaling, whether that's 1 millimeter per 1 meter or 100 meters, or however we want that to display. Here I'm going to go 1 per 1, and we can select where that displays as well, so I'm going to go above left, and we can apply an offset, so I'll go 5 millimeters. We can also display borders, backgrounds, and have full control over those, and display arrows for if we drag them away. We can click OK to that, and now the logs will be displayed on our map. We can see that we've got some overposting here, so I can click on the wells, right click, overpost correct, select log signatures, and I can then move my log signatures around to make them easy to be displayed so that they don't cover each other up. Click OK to that, and now I've quickly displayed some log signatures for my wells on the map.